Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some hot chocolate with medicinal mushrooms. I'm going to be using some simple ingredients. This is one of my favorite morning drinks, so stay tuned. I hope you like it. So the first thing you want to do is grab your morning mug, whatever mug you like. And then you want to get some plant-based milk. For me, I like to use almond milk. You can use chocolate almond milk. You can use cashew milk, whatever milk you like. But I would recommend plant-based milk. The next ingredient you want to get is the Om Mushroom Superfood. I love this blend. It has so many medicinal benefits to it. The reishi, the turkey tail, and the chaga is great for the immune system. And the lion's mane is great for boosting your memory and helping you to focus. So that's why I like using medicinal mushrooms in the morning. It has so many health benefits to it. And the great thing about this hot chocolate blend, it actually tastes like hot chocolate. It doesn't taste like mushrooms. Now I'm about to use some vegan marshmallows. I get these from Mariano's, or you can get them from Meijer's. I like them because they don't have any gelatin or high fructose corn syrup. Plus, they give my hot chocolate a nice flavor. So I like to just break at least 2 up and then just put it in my hot chocolate, and it tastes so good. Last but not least, I'm about to finish this baby off with my favorite supplement in the morning, which is the 𝐀𝐁𝐎 collagen protein peptides. I like to add this to my hot chocolate. It's great for enhancing your skin and your hair. It's pretty much a combination of hyaluronic acid, collagen protein peptides, and vitamin C. It has a bland taste to it, and I just love to add it to my morning drinks. And yeah, so now that I get that, I am ready to go. And this is how I start off my morning, ladies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video. Thank you for watching.